Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today my friend Shi and Cheng come here to cook Taiwanese food for me especially, so I will show you how they cook and how it's tasty.
这是孜然诶，
是啊，
有
这边要吗？
一定好了。
好。OK，
对，看一下几度，然后烤几分钟。还有上下火。这边还有 tissue paper。
Zishan, can you get the tissue paper from there? Head chef is cutting and assistant is just collecting.
没有啊，没有啊。要什么？
没有，因为我不会切。好险没有辣椒给它全下。
你下次不用吃，就变你的料理了。大辣。
酱油1.5，蚝油0.5，鱼露1
我也不知道到底1.5来多少。
反正就是1:3，酱油3，蚝油1。
好。
Head chef teaching assistant how to it's work. If he not do well, you can hit like.
Huh?
If he not do like that, you just hit him.
哎呦，
哎呦！懂。It's okay, it's okay.
宫保鸡丁。
宫保鸡丁
Yes.
Okay.
But it's not 鸡丁。
鸡腿，宫保鸡腿。
It's a soup.
Yes, fish soup.
Fish soup. So you are
你要不要直接用这个啊
assistant working well? You are
Yes.
assistant working well.
Yes.
And this is ready? Or
Yes. No, it's you will put it inside.
oh, it will make soup.
Yes.
Okay, head chef.
煮菜怎么难？真是太难了。
It's ready?
Almost.
Almost? Okay, then I will.
It will be very nice.
What is this name?
Chicken.
宫保鸡丁。
Kong Pao Ching Ting, and this is
打
Alukima,
抛牛。
Pong Niao, and Lemon New Cha. 2 dishes are ready. And now the head
The
chef.
soup is ready and the
Soup is also ready?
yes.
So
And the this meat is ready too.
you check it?
reheat。
And serve up. and you are very handsome.
Answer.
And easy to be eaten.
Rice, drinks, full. Mocha chahiye. Hello guys, our lunch is ready. So our head chef and his assistant is working there on the beef. And here is different dish. Let's try. Jimmy is our today judge to taste the food. And Zishan from Pakistan is my friend also. And she is the head chef, and Yu John Jimmy is also assistant. And
Có số吗？有啊，有。
it's okay.
Yeah, very good.
Wow, chef.
Alcohol.
We need to open a restaurant. Let's go, let's go.
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Ah, no,
你要
no.
放在桌上，然后等一下就全部顶起来。
Okay,
对哈，因为它是网。
it's okay, it's okay.
哇，那个有比较大的盘子不是吗？
Guys, now it's a photo session. They're taking the pictures of the food because this looks so delicious and it's also very beautiful. Try then tell me about the taste.
The taste is very nice. Don't worry about taste.
First,
Taste is very
first
nice.
eat it because if the taste is good, we hire them in our restaurant.
这个叫哪个？Small spoon，small spoon。
Small. Oh, so
哦，有辣哦
it's good.
可以吗？
，spicy。
Spicy, wow. Because you use too much chili therefore.
Try.
Zishan, try.
Thank you, thank you.
What is the taste, Zishan? It's good? Jimmy, it's good? Wow.
It's very
Zishan,
nice. It's very tasty.
And sub.
very tasty. Which one?
Until now I tried
Everything.
Yeah.
Good?
That's good.
Okay. She,
Good.
any comment for your friends? I not want to take names.
所以说，salad 让帕嘎印，很好吃的食物。
Thank you, thank you.
对吧？
I try this one first.
Good.
Taste is very nice, very nice.
Very good. No, what is this? Barbecue? What do you make?
谢谢。
What is the name? Okay, I will take little bit from here.
This yours. This not mine. This yours.
This is also very good.
我记得，
没关系
啊，
没关系
我先吃看看，这叫什么？这
这个吗？
哎，
打抛牛。
哦，现在很流行打抛了哦，
嗯。
因为有泰式料理就打抛就常的变到。
It's very good here. You are chef. We are hired you in our restaurant. He's a chef and he is his assistant, so we hire them.